Okay, this is a simple demonstration of one of the legs for the seastead that could move if it's bumped into something. So imagine this is the top of the base. This is like a 45-degree at the corner. And this leg could pivot side, 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 side. This here, instead of it being pulling in, it would be an air shock or something pushing the leg outwards. On the other side, another air shock or something pushing the leg outwards. So it would always keep it at a 45 degree to this point right here. And if it bump into a rock, it hits it here and it brings it back to the middle. If it bump on the rock on this side, it hits it here and it bumps it back in the middle because these are pushing outwards at these points. The other cool feature is that the leg have a hinge sort of mechanism in the middle where you could actually bring the seastead lower to the sea if you wanted to. You could bring it by pulling down on this area right here, and it goes up, it folds, and this point here would be in the center of the base, so you could string a cable or something that could keep it up in the air, and you could attach new floats at this end here which would float it a little lower down to the water if you wanted to. In that, you also can have it temporarily floated by some mechanisms here to keep it in the air, while in the ocean you can do this, you can transform this mechanism that way. This feature, it has like a design where the leg can come up and it works like a hinge. It comes up and when it reaches to this point it stops, it can't go anymore that way. And then the weight of the seastead down and the buoy pulling up in the air will keep this all straight. We just have to figure out what kind of material we will use between here and here that will be able to stand the pressures up and down from the motion of the waves. That is a typical design for a leg. We could come up with other ideas, but this is just a little example I'm trying to put together for a seastead project.